Okay, I'm going to show you how you can design a book cover using your phone. It's very easy. And to achieve this, you download the app called Brand Maker. Brand Maker, as you can see, download from your Google Play Store or iOS and install. After a successful installation, you click to open up this app and you have it appear this way. Okay, now you click on View All. Okay, you can see it at the right hand side of the screen, the top, just after the search for template option. You click on View All and you continue to swipe downwards. You need to swipe until you get to book cover. Okay, this is book cover. Click on it and it gives you sample book covers templates for you to work with. And the ones that have the Pro, you can see the Pro with the yellow background on it. That means that you have to subscribe to get complete access to all the book covers here. But notwithstanding, there are some other book covers here that you can play around with. We have this, the Think Smart book cover. You can actually edit this and make use of it. Okay. Now to do that, you just click on the book cover. Now we have this ad play on. You allow it to play on, and close when completed, and allow the book cover to load. Okay, it is loading. It has loaded completely. Now everything you have here, everything you can edit, you can delete, you can add text, as you can see at the bottom here. Add text, add image, brand kit, background, graphics. You can do a whole lot of changes here. I want to change the background. You hit the background option here and it gives you the color option, gradient, stock image, gallery, and camera. If you select color, for example, you have a whole tons of colors here that you can actually make use of for your book cover. Okay, you can use this, you can use this. Okay, let's go with this. Now you can click on any of the text on this book cover and edit completely. You have this, you also have this. So all you need to do is to click to select, and at the bottom part of this app you can see the edit, 3D rotation, size, fonts, color, shadow, a whole lot of them. So you click the edit and you can change this and say work smart. Okay, you change this to work smart, and once you're done typing, you click on this button at the top right hand side of the screen. Click OK, and you have the changes. You can either use the button on this text to increase or reduce, or you come down here and you have size. Click on size. You can drag this button to either increase or reduce the text or the font size. Okay, you can also click and hold to move around to your desired location or position, and you have this here. Okay, work smart, not hard. Okay, work smart, not hard. Okay, so we can leave this like this. You can decide to change this, and you can put your name there as the author or a client's name. So I can decide to put MG Tech here. Select when done. You can increase the size. You can change the font. Let's change the font of this text. We have a whole lot of fonts here, so I can change to this font, for example. Okay, once you are done, you can decide to add an image to this. You can click on add image. I'm going to import image from my device. Okay, I have a logo. You can click, select it and move it around and place it somewhere. Okay, and I'm going to reduce the size. You click on size. You can see size here just before the crop. You see size, you click and you have a button to reduce the size. You can reduce it and place it. Click and move it around. move it. You can increase it like this. Okay, you can move it around, and we have our book cover ready. Now once you are done editing this book cover, you can save this. Okay, you can save. You can see the save option at the top right hand side of the screen. Click on save. To ask, do you want to save changes? You say yes. Okay, you allow the advert to play on and close when done. Okay, now you have your book cover ready. You can share these on WhatsApp, you can share on Facebook, Instagram. You can hit the three dots at the end of the screen here to give you more options. Okay, you can save this image directly to your device. You can also save to files. You can share via your email. Okay, I'm going to save, and this book cover is ready for use. So guys, this is how you can design your own book cover using your mobile device, your mobile phones. It's very easy. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Bye.